Hello everyone, Ranjitha here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a very different project compared to my previous videos. So I'm doing a small DIY project. So I have received this crate during shifting my house and I felt it was very sturdy and I've been preserving it all the while. So today I'm making a small project with this. First what I'm doing, I've measured and I'm making a mark on this crate. And then with the help of a saw, I'm cutting it according to the size. I love a lot of DIYs and I do a lot of upscaling at home. So for that I've invested on these machinery. If you do not have this machinery, you can either hire a local carpenter and get something like this done for yourself, or you can use a regular hand saw as well. So as you can see here, I'm just cutting it along the marking, and if you're using a machinery like this, please make sure that you're taking enough precautions and you don't have kids around you. So what I'm doing is, just like I have done the markings, I'm making sure that I'm cutting it right along the markings that I have made. If you have already guessed what kind of project I'm making today, please let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to know whether you have guessed it right. Otherwise, please stay tuned until the end of this project to see what I'm doing. For the project I'm doing, I didn't mend this crate at all. I've kept it intact as it is because it was quite sturdy the way it was. All I'm doing is just cutting it according to the size I want. So here, that is the reason the project was hardly done in half an hour. So I'm just cutting it according to size. I'm not altering the crate at all. So if you have any scrapbook wood at home, make sure that you can utilize it in some small DIY projects like this. Once I'm done cutting, I'm sanding it properly. If you do not have this machine, you can use the regular sandpaper as well. So I'm making sure I'm making all the corners and edges smooth, because kids will be using it and we will be using it, and I didn't want any mishaps to happen. So this is the final piece. So I've cut it according to size. Now I have to remove the extra screws and make it even and round off all the corners evenly. So after that, I'm going to make 4 holes in the corners. So by now you would have guessed what I'm making. If yes, please let me know in the comment section below. Now, according to the hook that I want to place on this, I've taken a drill bit and I'm making a hole into this wood like this. Very simple and easy project. I didn't spend a lot of money on this. As also, all I did was I'm went to the local hardware shop and I purchased such strong heavy duty hooks. These are hooks that are usually placed in the ceiling while making the roof, to hang swings or anything like that. So I'm placing a washer above and below and then tightening it with a nut here. So I'm just showing you how to tighten it with my hand here, but once I'm done, I'm going to make sure that it is tightened well with a proper instrument so that it doesn't move. So as of now, here I'm just showing you how I tightened it with the hand. So this is the final thing. So the hooks are quite sturdy. I'm going to finish it up by placing another hook on the fourth hole as well. So all I did was cut the crate into shape, and then I'm just putting a washer and a hook and placing hooks on all 4 corners. That's it. Very simple project. I wrapped it up in less than half an hour because I had all the necessary instruments, and it was quite cost effective as well because I didn't buy anything more. All I did was I had to purchase these heavy duty hooks and some S hooks. So now I'm taking some S hook like this. This is a heavy duty S hook, and I'm placing a chain on the other side. This chain was from another thing, so I've just repurposed it. So here I'm placing an S hook and then a chain to the other end of the S hook. Here I'm keeping the S hook open. Once I'm happy with the outcome and the length, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to close the S hook so that the chain doesn't come off. So all I'm doing is I first placed a hook, and then on top of that I've added an S link, and then onto that I have a chain. So now by now you would have understood, yes, I'm making a swing for myself. A very quick, easy project, I was really happy how I did it. Quite easy to make, and it was sturdy as well, and I felt very accomplished because I salvaged some scrap wood which was ready to be thrown. So if you also have some ideas like this, or if you want me to make something like this in the future with scrap wood, please let me know in the comment section. I'm going to show you the finished outcome here. So we have a long balcony, and I'm going to place this swing on the balcony. So this is the final outcome. I really liked how beautiful it turned out, and this is now going to be my favorite cozy corner. I'm going to have my evening coffee here, and such a peaceful thing, and it hardly took me any time to make. I'm going to place a pillow or a soft mattress on top of that, but otherwise you can use it like this as well. I haven't troubled myself by adding any painting or anything, but you can feel free to beautify it according to your likes. So this was my project today. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If you want something similar to be made, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be back soon with some other interesting video. Bye.